lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Mashali DCA, and in today's video we are going to use extra virgin olive oil and loose leaf Vaseline to firm a sagging breast. Yes, if you're having sagging breast out of obesity, that as a result of weight loss, childbirth, and also you really want to have a round firm breast as a teenager, think this is the right remedy for you to also try at home. So easy and so simple without no side effects. Use it, apply it in the morning and in the evening. But before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my DIY videos, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends, and also give me a thumbs up. Now, we know extra virgin olive oil has a whole lot of properties that helps in helping our skin, and also very good for tightening the breast. And with the blue leaf Vaseline, also very good in moisturizing the skin. So let's go ahead into the video. I'm going to take this small amount of the Vaseline and add actually you can measure it, but with this one you just need something like so. All you have to do is just have to whisk it. I'm going to add a spoon of it to it. Yeah. That's how. That's how it will be like. All right. So let me show you how you're going to apply it to your breast. So you take a small amount, assuming that's your breast, upwards around it. Effective results. Within 2 weeks, you see your sagging breast or your small breast becoming fuller and also firming. All right, we have come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up.